Welcome everyone to your Emergency Estate Planning Minute. I wanted to get in front of you as quickly as I could because something very important just happened in our economy. And the first bank just went under. If you've been living under a rock and you haven't realized this, the IndyMac Bank out of California not just went under, but they went out of business. It's been unheard of in my generation and even in my parents' generation. But it can happen. This is one of the risks that we talk to our clients about, not just here in Michigan where I'm headquartered, and we have 6 offices, but all across the country where I help clients with. And I wanted to stress to you the importance of what the FDIC is and how you can prevent this and what to look for. So real quick, the FDIC is a company, it's not a government entity, that guarantees your money at the bank. They only guarantee you up to $100,000. Guess what happened to many of the customers at the bank in California? The ones that had over $100,000 in their bank are getting 50 cents on the dollar. You get a better guarantee if you're able to do a few things with your money. Now you might be thinking, well, how many people have 100 grand laying around? You'd be surprised. You'd be shocked and surprised at the same time. Because the baby boomers now, if you've read the books on this, and I do a lot of studying on this, this is where the research and marketing comes in. The baby boomers are from the generation that their parents told them, don't trust anyone. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not suggesting that you pull your money out and stick it in a mattress. That's not what you do. But here's a few steps that you can do. If you're online, you can go right here to this website and get the FDIC calculator to see if you are protected with your assets at the various banks you're in. I called all my clients over the last 3 days and indicated to them, if you have over $100,000, you are at risk. This is just one of probably a few other banks across the country that are going to go under. This is just another sign. We've seen the mortgage risk, the mortgage industry go under, and what Congress is doing. So don't let this happen to you. That's your first step. You want to check online, go to your calculator. This is what I charge $750 an hour for, just to sit down with clients. I'm giving this to you. In addition to that, you want to be able to see a emergency estate planning attorney. If you're not here in Michigan, we have affiliates across this country of ours that can sit down with you and go over information like this. Thirdly, you got to collect your bank statements when they come in the mail. Don't just throw them away. Don't just file them somewhere. You got to look at them and make sure that you see what the guarantees are underneath. And lastly, you want to be able to minimize your risk and also protect against unnecessary loss of your assets. How can you do that? If you have a couple $100,000 sitting in your bank, your CDs, checking, savings, money markets, you need to diversify into different banks. It may only be for the short term, but that's something that you need to do. And if your attorney hasn't been telling you this, that's why you need to come see us. But you can check us out at www.oneestateplanningmichigan.com. You can get your free report. We only have room for 12 more for each of you. And you can also contact us at 248-358-6965. Right here, here's the number. We're more than happy to get back to you.